Now, U.S. indices closing mixed on Thursday as shares in tech, hardware and equipment, household and personal products, food, beverage and tobacco, they were under pressure, while shares in insurance, utilities and media, they gained ground. On the economic front, initial jobless claims decreasing by 222,000 in the week ended October 14th. Continuing claims slightly declining in the week ended October 7th. The Philadelphia Fed Business Outlook increasing to 27.9 in October from 23.8 in September. And finally, the leading index decreasing by 0.2% in September. All of this paved the way for advancers to be ahead of decliners. 59% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after hours, after the markets closed, the U.S. Senate approved a budget blueprint for the 2018 fiscal year, which will facilitate President Donald Trump's proposed tax reform. Meanwhile, PayPal announcing third quarter adjusted EPS up 31% to 46 cents on net revenue of $3.24 billion. And E-Trade posting third quarter EPS decreasing to 49 cents from 51 last year on net income of $147 million. Operating margin declining 9% year over year to 37%. Meanwhile, overseas, the Asian markets are mostly up today. The Nikkei up 0.04%, the Hang Seng up 1.17%, China's CSI 300 down 0.11%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.67%. European markets, they're trading higher, and U.S. futures, they call for a productive start. Now, in terms of corporate expectations today, Procter & Gamble first quarter EPS seen at $1.08 on sales of approximately $16.7 billion. GE third quarter EPS seen at 50 cents on sales of approximately $32.5 billion. And Schlumberger third quarter EPS seen at 42 cents versus 18 cents just 1 year ago. Meanwhile, in terms of economic data, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have September existing home sales figures. Now, in the markets, the S&P 500 sees further advance, preferring long positions above 25.61. The Nasdaq also sees further advance, preferring long positions above 60.90, while the Dow Jones, that's in focus. For the Dow Jones, the break above 23,120 is a positive signal that has opened the path to 23,240. Long positions above 23,120 are favored, with targets at 23,240 and 23,320 in extension.